Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a pie chart in Google Sheet on computer. So how to make a pie chart in Google Sheet on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. Here I will use this table data. Just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Insert menu. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Chart menu. Here it will appear like this on the right side of the screen. Tap on the Chart Type menu. Here several options will appear. Tap PIE Chart. Then enter the table data. Tap on this data range icon. Now this input menu will appear. In this section, enter all the first table data or brand. Then tap Add here. Enter sales data by blocking all sales column tables. And tap OK. Well, here it's finished making a pie chart. And to edit it, tap on the Customize section. Here there are many menu options. Next tap Chart Axis Title. And in the Here section tap the title of the column chart that will be created. Now you can edit the axis chart like I did. Well, here it's finished making it. You can see here it's finished making. So that's it, tutorial how to make a pie chart in Google Sheet on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.